In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in your Godaddy account. This process is quite straightforward, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you manage it without a hitch. This can be crucial if you've recently changed your email address or simply need to update your contact information within your Godaddy account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Godaddy homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your username or customer number along with your password, and press Sign In. If you happen to have enabled two-step verification, follow the additional prompts to gain access to your account. Once you're signed in, look for your account name or the profile icon, often located in the same top right corner where you signed in. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings to continue. Within the account settings, you will see a series of options on the left-hand side. You'll want to select Personal Information. This section is where all your crucial account details are kept and managed. So, in this part, especially, it's important to proceed carefully to avoid any unintended changes. Next, under the Personal Information heading, locate the field labeled Email. Click the Edit link next to this section. Godaddy will prompt you to enter your new email address. This is where you'll input the email address you wish to associate with your Godaddy account moving forward. After entering the new email address, double-check it to ensure there are no typos. Accuracy is key since verification is typically required. Now, to save the new email address, click the Save button. Godaddy might ask you to confirm the change by re-entering your account password. This step ensures security and confirms that the person making the change is indeed you. You should receive a confirmation email at your new address shortly after saving the changes. It might land in your spam or junk folder, so check there if you don't see it in your inbox. Follow any instructions in that email to finalize the update. If you experience any issues, try reaching out to Godaddy Support for assistance. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated your email address in your Godaddy account. Keeping your contact information updated is crucial, as it ensures you receive necessary communications about your domain and other important notifications. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.